Hi children, how are you? I am fine. In this video I am going to discuss what is meant by componendo and dividendo and the problems related on that topic. This is very important in different branches of mathematics. If you don't know this technique, in somewhere you feel somewhat difficult in solving the problems. Okay, we will learn these two topics in detail and then we will solve the problems. These problems are appearing in different competitive examinations. So the topic is very important than though on this topic. Okay, first I am going to explain you what is meant by componendo. See, before this you have to know what is a ratio. Okay, if a comma b comma c comma d are four quantities and if this ratio of the first two and ratio of the second two are equal, then these four quantities are said to be in proportion. A, B, C, D are four quantities, and if the ratio of the first two are is equals to the ratio of the second two, then that is said to be, then the quantities are said to be in proportion. Now what I am going to do is I am adding plus 1 on both sides. That will not make any difference. Okay, see, common balance is there. If you have equal pans on both sides, if you don't do any alterations, it will be equal. If you do any alteration on other side, then it will become imbalance and you have to take something on the other pan also. Like that, whatever I am doing on one side, I am doing on the same side, therefore equality will not alter. Now after adding plus 1 on both sides, I am taking LCM, then it will become a plus b by b and also c plus d by d. This is called componendo, only componendo of a, b, c, d. Okay, coming to in the same manner, if equality of two ratios is called proportion, you know, again I am starting with proportion, then now this time I am subtracting 1 on both sides, and also here also the equality will not change. Why? Because on both sides I am doing the same operation, hence its equality will not alter. Therefore a by b minus 1 is equals to c by d minus 1. Here if you take LCM, it will become a minus b by b, that is equals to c minus d by d. This is called dividendo of the quantities a, b, c, d. If you let it 1, okay, and let this equation 2, then I am going to finally I am going to divide equation 1 with equation 2. This is called dividend. This is componendo, and this is dividendo. Okay, now I am going to do is I am dividing equation 1 with equation 2. Very simple. So on LHS, a plus b by b, okay, by, see, this is LHS of equation 1. I am dividing LHS of equation 1 with LHS of equation 2, therefore it will become a minus b by b is equals to, and also RHS is there, right hand side, c plus d by d by, this is c minus d by d. If you cancel b and d, then you will remain with a plus b by a minus b, that is equals to c plus d by c minus d. This is called componendo and dividendo of the quantities a, b, c, d. This is very important technique. Some problems will look very difficult, but if you know this technique, those problems will become very easy. Actually, this is not a separate chapter. This is a concept. This concept is used in different chapters of different branches of mathematics. Now, based on this, we will solve problems. Okay. I am taking two problems first based on the concepts of componendo and dividendo which we discussed now. See, the first problem is if 20 plus x by 20 minus x is equals to 4, then they are asking the value of x. See, in this case, you may write here 1. That means the ratio of this and this is 4 by 1. See, by using componendo and dividendo, what I am doing is, see, I am assuming this as a and this as b, then a plus b by a minus b. Is it, my children? If you remember whatever we discussed, a plus b by a minus b is equals to c plus d by c minus d is called the componendo and dividendo of four quantities a, b, c, d. Now this is a, this is b, this is c, this is d. Then a plus b means 20 plus x plus 20 minus x by again 20 plus x minus 20 minus x. See, this is a plus b by a minus b. Similarly, if you assume this as c and this is d, then c plus d, that means 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1. Coming to here, this minus x plus x will get cancelled. 20 plus 20 will become 40 by, similarly here minus 20 plus 20 will get cancelled, here plus x and minus of minus x, is it plus x, therefore it will become 2x, that is equals to 4 plus 1 5 by 4 minus 1 3, therefore you may cancel 4 1s are 4 8s are, so 8 3s are 24, 24 is equals to 2x, therefore x is equals to 24 by 2, that is equals to 12, therefore x value is equals to 12. It's very seeming very easy by using this concept, isn't it? By using the same concept I am solving the second problem. See, it is also seeming the same as the first one. If you see, if root 7 plus x by root 7 minus x is equals to 7. See, 7 means you may write it as 7 by 1. Again here, if you assume this as a, b, c, d, two ratios are equal, then a plus b by a minus b is equals to c plus d by c minus d is called the componendo and dividendo. I am using the same technique. So root 7 plus x plus root 7 minus x, a plus b by root 7 plus x minus root 7 minus x is equals to, here also if it is c d, c plus d means 7 plus 1 by 7 minus 1. Okay, that implies to, you may cancel this minus x plus x, root 7 plus root 7 will become 2 root 7, right, my dear children? Okay, next you may cancel this minus root 7 and plus root 7. This is minus of minus x will become plus x. X plus x will become 2x. Okay, 2x, that is equals to, here on the right hand side of this equality 8 by 6. So you may cancel this 2 under 2. Okay, therefore 8x on cross multiplication, 8x is equals to root 7 into 6. Okay, therefore this is x is equals to root 7 into 6 by 8. If you cancel with the 2 3s are, this is 2 4s are, therefore x is 3 root 7 by 4. This is the value of x. These type of problems are frequently asking in the different competitive exams. That's why I am taking these examples. Now I will take two more examples based on the same technique. Okay, these are the next two problems I have taken to solve based on this. See, they have given the ratio of A and B, A by B is equals to 3 by 14, then find, they are asking B minus A by B plus A. Very simple, you are seeing minus and plus, then automatically do componendo and dividendo, okay, by componendo and dividendo. See, A is the first one and B is the second one, therefore A plus B by A minus B is equals to 3 plus 14 by 3 minus 14. Is it or not? Now A plus B by A minus B is equals to 3 plus 14 is 17 and 3 minus 14 is minus 11. Are they asking this? You have to find the reverse ratio of this, therefore A minus B by A plus B is equals to 17. Instead of 17 you have to write minus 11 by 17. Whatever you want, B minus A you want, I am writing A minus B first. That means I am taking this denominator to numerator, then it will become A minus B by A plus B. That is equals to, here also you have to find the inverse ratio, that is minus 11 by 17. Now if I want B minus A, I have to take minus common. Therefore if I take minus common, then it will become B minus A by, this can also be written as B plus A as per our requirement, that is equals to minus 11 by 17. If you cancel minus on both sides, okay my dear students, then the required answer B minus A by B plus A is equals to 11 by 17. So it's working or not? See, this is somewhat seeming a difficult one, but if you go into deep, it will become very easy also, okay. By using simply in shortcut I am writing by componendo and dividendo, right my dear students. Now you have to take this total numerator as your A and total denominator as your B, and this is 2 by 1, okay. So square root of 3 plus x plus square root of 3 minus x, this is A, plus B plus square root of 3 plus x minus square root of 3 minus x by, numerator is over A plus B, and similarly A minus B, root 3 plus x, this is A, plus root 3 minus x, A is over, whatever in the numerator is, that is A, minus root 3 plus x minus root 3 minus x. I am closing within the brackets, that's why I am writing minus as usual, that is equals to 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1, okay. CD, if you assume this as C and D, therefore C plus D is 2 plus 1, C minus D is 2 minus 1. If you observe here, a root of minus root of 3 minus x plus root of 3 minus x will get cancelled, then you will have 2 into root 3 plus x by, here if you observe, this square root of 3 plus x minus square root of 3 plus x will get cancelled here also, right. So here you have square root of 3 minus x and minus of minus will become plus, therefore again it will become 2 into root of 3 minus x, that is equals to, what happens, this is 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 minus 1 again 1, okay. You can cancel these two. Now doing cross multiplication, it will become root of 3 plus x is equals to 3 into root of 3 minus x, okay. Squaring on both sides, if you want to remove the square root, then you have to square it on both sides, therefore it will become 3 plus x if you do square root, my dear students, therefore 3 into square root of 3 minus x whole square. Now you can cancel square and square root, therefore you have 3 plus x here, and also this square will become to both 3 and square root of 3 minus x. If you take square for 3, it will become 9 into 3 minus x, okay. Therefore 3 plus x is equals to 9 3s are 27 minus 9x. Now I will take minus 9x to this side and 2 to other side, 3, sorry, 3. Okay, x is already there on LHS side, minus 9x is on the other side. I will take that minus 9x to this side, it will become plus 9x, 27 will be there itself, plus 3 is there, it will become minus 3. Okay, 10x is equals to, this is 24, therefore x value is equals 24 by 10. If you cancel with 2, 2 12s are 2 5s are, therefore x value is 12 by 5. In this way you may apply whatever the concept you learnt, then the problems will become very easy. If you see these type of problems, or a lot of problems are there, if you think for a while, then those problems will become very easy like this, right? So don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like my videos. We will meet in the next video with very important topic. Until then, have a nice day. Take care, be indoor, be safe.